Hi everybody, it's Mary with Nelson Nursery, and we have now trimmed back all of our plants post-freeze. I'm going to take out anything that I know is just dead for sure, so I'll pull this guy out of the ground. And now I'm going to prep my beds so I am ready to plant this spring. And why we want to do that is because you want to make sure that you have a great healthy soil base coming in with your awesome new plants. And my existing plants need a little bit of help after suffering through those freezes. So the first thing I'm going to do is use awesome compost, the leaf mold compost from Nature's Way Resources. I'm going to put a nice inch layer down, and what that's going to do is going to get those nutrients into the soil and really boost those microorganisms in there, make the roots healthy, make the soil healthy. And then I'm going to follow up by using a really good mulch. I love the Black Velvet Mulch. It is not dyed, but it still has that awesome dark color to it. I'm going to lay that nice and thick, 2 to 3 inches. It is going to keep my current plants. It's going to help retain moisture for them. It's going to keep weeds from popping up while I wait for the plants that I want to put in my bed to be ready at the nurseries. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my beds all nice and prepped and ready for spring.